got this box from Germany, and literally almost overnight. He printed the label on Sunday, our Sunday. I think it was Monday for him. And he shipped it Monday. I got it Tuesday morning here in the States in Connecticut. So let's do a quick unboxing of the DropEffect Omnia. What is it? Yeah, DropEffect OmniaDrop. Box. Knife. Let's open her up. Sweet. Pumpkin! Evil Pumpkin Edition. That is pretty cool looking. Set up for the Hemera mount for me. I have a Hemera. Pre-built, pre-broken in for me. Here. Let's not drop it and break it. So there's the fan duct. These things are printed and they are gorgeous. He does a really good job. I'm assuming this just goes on here like so. Okay. Little box of electronics in the bottom. More peanuts. A nozzle and a boot. Some bolts, some nuts. 2 fans. And the heater. This is that cool round heater. "12 volt, 30 watt. Should be awesome. I kind of like this round heater. So there you have it, unboxed. And there you have it, the unboxing of the OmniEffect OmniaDrop Extruder. I always can't remember if it's OmniaDrop by OmniEffect or OmniEffect by OmniaDrop. OmniaDrop by OmniEffect. Yeah.